The Three Jovial Huntsmen by Randolph Caldecott. A Project Gutenberg original. It's of three jovial huntsmen, and a hunting they did go. And they hunted, and they hollered, and they blew their horns also. Look ye there. And one said, Mind your own, and keep your noses right in the wind, and then by scent or sight we'll let or some to our mind. Look ye there. They hunted and they hollered, and the first thing they did find was a tattered boggart ghost in a field, and that they left behind. Look ye there. One said it was a boggart, and another he said, Nay, it's just a German farmer that has gone and lost his way. Look ye there. They hunted and they hollered, and the next thing they did find was a grunting, grinding grindlestone, and that they left behind. Look ye there. One said it was a grindlestone, another he said, Nay, it's naught but an odd fossil cheese that somebody's rolled away. Look ye there. They hunted and they hollered, and the next thing they did find was a bull calf in a pinfold, and that too they left behind. Look ye there. One said it was a bull calf, and another he said, Nay, it's just a painted jackass that has never learned to bray. Look ye there. They hunted and they hollered, and the next thing they did find was 2-3 children leaving school, and these they left behind. Look ye there. One said that they were children, but another he said, Nay, they're not but little angels, so we'll leave them to their play. Look ye there. They hunted and they hollered, and the next thing they did find was a fat pig smiling in a ditch, and that too they left behind. Look ye there. One said it was a fat pig, but another, he said, Nay, it's just a Lunenalderman whose cloths are stolen away. Look ye there. They hunted and they hollered, and the next thing they did find was 2 young lovers in a lane, and these they left behind. Look ye there. One said that they were lovers, but another he said, Nay, they're 2 poor wandering lunatics. Come, let us go away. Look ye there. So they hunted and they hollered until the setting of the sun, and they had naught to bring away at last, when the hunting day was done. Look ye there. Then one unto the other said, This hunting doesn't pay, but we prowled up and down a bit, and we had a rattling day. Look ye there. The end.